Hello everybody! In today's video tutorial we would like to demonstrate how you can switch the SIM card preferences on this Doogee V20 smartphone. So first of all, open up the settings app. In here you gotta go for the mobile network category of settings, and from here just choose either a SIM card that is currently installed into your device. I'll choose the second one for example, and from here you'll have like the access to the general SIM card preferences. So we can change the data preferences, the calls preferences, and the preferences for SMS messages as well, just like so. Alrighty, so that was it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and bye bye.